Today is tough, man. You can see I'm a bit busy here with these computers. I'm trying to see if I'll be able to connect this hard drive because my laptop cannot see it. So I've come to realize that this Flex is the one that is having the short after I tested output from the input socket, and I use this meter, this one. So definitely I'm going to solder those cables one by one so that I can establish connection, and it's gonna take me approximately 2 hours to do this work. I'm at work, and sometimes I like blogging and telling you some of these things because I want you to have information about what I do sometimes for a living. It is important for you to engage even if you're a blogger. You let people also see your other hustles as you continue to live. So I'm bored, guys, but I know you're keeping me company. Have a good day.